All right, my friends, it's me. It's Ken from the Chronicles of Piercing Ken doing some product reveal stuff for you. So I just mentioned recently that we attended our first tech event in quite some time, like a tech actual product event. Haven't been to one in a bit, and always like these kinds of things because I'm a techie person. So we were invited to the Baseus Product Launch Party, and Baseus is based on user. So they gave us this nice, cool bag, and we're going to unbox the stuff that's inside of it. I'm going to do pauses and starts a lot because I am doing this with one hand. So I did not set up that station that I had planned on doing. We'll do that eventually. Okay, so here we go. So if you remember my note video yesterday, I talked about having that. The box was in this nice hefty packaging here, and it had this around it with this little envelope. So I took this off already just to get a look at the envelope, and let's see what's in here. You've got the tickets. What is it? Tickets, cash. No, let's see what it is. It is, dun dun dun, based on user, and the note says, we embody the spirit of youth through relentless exploration, blending the ultimate pursuit of utility and aesthetics to enhance everyday life. Simple for more. I like that. That's a really cool statement. All right, now it's time to open the box. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty and opening up this box now. I definitely have to get that whole setup that I keep saying I'm going to do because doing this stuff with one hand is tricky. Oh, wow, look at this. So here is what's in the box, and if I'm trusting these pull tabs, there's even more inside. So Leo, designed by Baseus, made in China. I don't know what Leo is. We'll look soon. There's some headphones, earbuds. Sorry, not headphones. Okay, I'll have to open that up. There we go. Sorry, guys. I do not own earbuds at all, but these have a charger. Let's see what they are all about. I'll put this down for a second. Oh, very nice. Whoop. All right, you saw them. This is interesting. I am going to assume it's a charger of some kind. Or could this even be a speaker? I'm sorry, I didn't look and see if there was any cheat notes on what everything was. So this is my favorite stuff, these external batteries. 20-watt external battery. 3 ports, 2 USB and 1 USB-C. Very cool. And it tells you the temperature. No. It tells you the amount of charge that is left on it. I like that. It was warm today here in New York, so I could say it was close with the 84. All right, Leo. We'll open up Leo last. because we have to lift up these two tabs and see what else is in the box. Okay, hang on. Hey, what's going on? And now we're looking at the lower portion of the box, and no, it's not another Leo. It's the same one, but we just put him back in the slot of the box so you could just so you could see how he looks in the rest of it. So I did find out after I turned it around a couple of times, this is a magnetic car port for your phone. I'm going to give this to a friend of mine because I don't have a car, so might as well spread the love. But I have a feeling I'm going to keep all the rest of the stuff because it's all things I can use. I'm always a fan of a new battery. And what we have here, these are instruction manuals and some stick-on things. But you have this wonderful cable here. Nice strong cable, which is really stuck in the box here. They had some new chargers that had retractable cords, which I liked, and they also had devices like this, which had a built-in plug, which is good if you're someone that disconnects your charger battery and forgets where the heck you put the plug. So, the last but not least part of this is this wonderful 5-port hub. You have an HDMI, you have an what is that? That's for the power, and then you have USBs. That's pretty cool. You can always use a hub. And, alright, I did say I was going to open up the Leo box, so let's open up the Leo box. Here we go. So I've torn open the Leo box, and it is a blind bag. So I have to open up the blind bag. I did not bring my little scissors in here with me. I did not think I needed them. Let's see, can we do the Leo reveal while you look at other things? Alright, maybe not. There we go, I gotta rip the bag. Hang on. Alright, my friends, so inside the bag is the one and only Leo. This cute character. Designed by Baseus, made in China, it's Leo. He is really cute. He's about 3 or so inches tall, figurine. Probably quite collectible. It is not a charger of any kind. I looked around, there's nothing on him to plug anything into. So he's not going to sing a song and he's not going to charge your battery for you. So there you have it. That is the awesome from Baseus. And back in there. We thank them for having us along at the event and treating us to some super cool products. All right, my friends. From the Ken Pierce Media High Command, I do remain your humble host, Ken, doing the Piercing Ken stuff on behalf of Baseus. Really great looking technology. We're going to have links to them down in the area where you see all the text. And I hope that you'll give them a shot. This looks like some really great stuff, and I can't wait to put it into practice with all the events I do. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and like, and leave a comment on the video. We'll see you next time. From me and Leo, we say goodbye.